And tonight we are hearing from a St. Louis woman who was in Thailand on vacation. She was in a hotel room across from the skyscraper that came crashing down, prompting her and others to run for their lives. Brent Solomon is in studio with more on her terrifying experience, Brent.
And what's more, Kelly, the 24-year-old is there all alone. She embraced the challenge of actually being a solo traveler, never to imagine a once-in-a-lifetime experience that would claim lives right before her very eyes. Micah Chavers of St. Louis is a world traveler. Canada, Belize, the Dominican Republic.
I tried to come to Thailand like a couple of years ago, but things didn't work out for me as far as my flight. I just so happened to miss it. And my sister's like, maybe you shouldn't go to Thailand. I'm like, no, 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 I need to get to Thailand because it's beautiful.
So she went. She's been there a week now, taking in the sights and sounds of her dream vacation.
I want to take a picture with the elephants. I want to take a picture with the tigers. You see the things, you see Fifi Island and things of that nature.
So much to do with no signs destruction would follow. Until it did.
My adrenaline just starts rushing. I'm like, I gotta go. I grab my purse with my passport, my money, just in case I have to go. That's the only thing that's important. Forget my suitcase, forget everything else.
Here she is, running to safety after a 7.7 magnitude earthquake destroyed a high-rise across from her hotel.
I'm literally like grabbing the railing on each side and launching my body, jumping down the steps because this is fight or flight.
She makes it out unharmed, although more than 100 people died. The death toll is expected to grow.
There was a lot of glass that was breaking in the stairwell. There was a lot of glass that was breaking like in the lobby area. It was pretty crazy. People's feet were cut up when we finally got outside from the glass and trying to run. I'm grateful and I'm blessed because I could have been in the mix of it.
Chavers plans to spend some more time there, not letting this disaster cut her trip short. Plus, she says the airports in the area are closed as the country has declared a state of emergency.